Hello, everyone. Thank you for this opportunity to share my video. All right, so according to the instruction, I was able to create a file using the touch command. So this is the file, and I was able to use the VI and the nano commands. All right, so and also I was able to use the VI to write the batch profile, then use the sudo app update to update my registries, then the upgrade, and also I did yeah, these are all the upgrade and updates. All right, so lengthy. All right, so I tried creating the user using the user add, or it keeps giving this error showing that admin exists, the group admin exists, and later on, yeah, when I did the first time, later on, I had to use the capital letter. This is it. So I use the capital letter and created the admin with a capital letter here. So when I did that, it created it, and doing the get password, I was able to see it here, and also the updates, get shadow. Then I created password. Yeah, I created the password successfully. And when I did the get ent admin, I was able to get this reply or respond. Then as well as the shadow, then the hash key for the password and other information was displayed. And when the grep, sorry, the cat etc group, I was able to get it here. Yeah. So the other commands also brought out the admin. All right, so giving the privilege. So I made change to admin. All right, and yeah, making the admin a root user. Yep. So I used as a root user, I did the nano bash profiling. I was able to get it, but later on I just tried to use the sudo. But anyways, I had to use this one first, and the command went well. So that's all. I used this experiment around this area. So I was able to make sure that the admin was according to the deliverable, demonstrated that the admin was created. I created the admin and gave it the root privileges, so administrative privilege. Display the contents of the welcome file with appropriate based. Yes, so this is the initial contents of the welcome file. Yes, this is it. Right. Okay, so I've proven that my server is up to date, and all right, the man page, the man information or the man command helps administrators to know everything about commands. So it's like a manual of commands. So you get the syntax, you get examples of how to use the syntax. So the man page is very, very useful. as a Linux administrator. So it's very, very handy because it has a lot of dictionary or definitions of so many commands that we can use. All right, so the two modes of VI editor, we have the command mode and the insert mode. All right, so the command mode is for saving, exiting, while the insert mode is for editing the editor or your file. So do I prefer? Yeah, I prefer the VI because for me it's kind of straightforward. Yeah, it's very straightforward for me, and I prefer it more than the Nano. Nano is a little bit more complex, although yeah, it's very straightforward. So the VI, when you enter, just press your I and start editing. And you press your exit, then type your WQ to write and quit, and that's all. For Nano, you have to go through some shortcuts, control this, control that. So that's why I prepared the VI. Um, yeah, environment and user variable is very important because it controls the system command, how the system behaves, and you can use it to customize based on user experiences. So it's very important because it tells how the system is going to respond to your commands. So basically, that's all for this assignment. I hope I get my full mark. All right. Thank you. Enjoy your day.